Hello everyone, how are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting and beautiful, amazing, outstanding different jute craft ideas. I hope you are all doing great today, and in today's video we are going to explore something very simple and very natural and very beautiful. Jute rope is not just a craft material, it is a gift from nature. It is eco-friendly, affordable and perfect for handmade and home decor projects. So if you love natural crafts, rustic decor and creative ideas, then this video is just for you. Let's begin our journey with jute rope. And jute rope is made from natural jute fiber. It comes from the jute plant which grows easily and does not harm the environment. That is why jute is called the golden fiber. Jute is strong, durable, and biodegradable, and unlike plastic material, jute is safe for nature and safe for our homes. This is why jute rope is become very popular in handmade crafts and decor. Jute rope has a natural texture that gives a warm and earthy look. It makes every item look handmade, cozy, and unique. Another beautiful thing about jute rope is that it is very easy to use. You don't need expensive tools or machines. Just some jute rope, glue, and a little creativity, and you are ready to create magic. Jute rope is also budget friendly, so anyone can start crafting with it. Jute rope is perfect for home decor items. You can make wall hangings, mirrors, baskets, trays, lamps, flower pots, and many more things. Jute rope gives your home a calm and peaceful feeling. It looks beautiful in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and even balconies. If you love a natural, boho, or rustic style, jute rope is the best choice. And handmade jute rope crafts are very special because they are made with love and patience. You can create jute coasters and table mats and storage baskets and candle holders and photo frames and door hangings and many more items. Each item looks unique and has its own charm. And these crafts are not only beautiful, also very useful in daily life. Jute rope gives you freedom to be creative. You can mix it with wood, fabric, beads, shells, or dry flowers. You can paint it, keep it natural, or add it small decorative elements. Every design tells a story of simplicity and nature. Even beginners can easily learn jute rope crafts step by step. One of the biggest advantages of jute rope is that it is eco-friendly. It does not harm nature and helps reduce plastic use. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Okay, take care and goodbye.